My creator CC makes thousands of dollars a month off of me. She uses me to provide instruction videos for her ebooks. And I even have my own social media account where I get paid to post on a platform that accepts AI characters. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a realistic AI character that walks and talks just like me and gets the job done.
With realistic AI avatars, you can create content that looks polished, professional, and personal without ever showing your face.
Yes, the game has
changed. Realistic AI avatars now do what once took studios, teams, and hours of filming. You can launch a
faceless YouTube channel, sell digital products, or run an entire online business. And your audience never has to know it's not really you.
I'll show you how to create a hyper-realistic AI that speaks for you, works for you, and never gets tired. Let's begin.
Talk to me through your screen. Let your avatar live that dream. With twin truth flow, they'll move so clean like a jazz solo in a digital scene.
All right, so step one, we're going to open ChatGPT to generate us a prompt. So I am going to open a new chat and request to generate me a text-to-image prompt of a hyper-realistic image of an attractive adult Black African American male dressed in a modern, relaxed business attire in a conference room. Let me spell conference right. Teaching about security. The lighting should be bright and natural. Then I'm just going to add detailed right here. All right, perfect. Hit the arrow to generate. All right, so it's generated a great detailed prompt. I'm then going to go head over to step 2, and I'm going to ask the app to generate me an image. I do like to ask the app to generate an image just to see what the prompt is giving before I head over to the other apps to generate images as well. And I am going to compare the apps for you so you can see how the apps generate images compared to that of ChatGPT. And so ChatGPT is generating the image now. And perfect is giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm going to copy that prompt, everything, and I'm going to head over to the next app to generate a video. So in this app, Halo AI, it is offering to take a text straight to video free of charge. So text to video. This is bypassing the image. So it's going to use the prompt from ChatGPT to give us a video. And then I'm going to head over to Pick Lumen, where I'm going to paste that prompt as well. The same prompt, but this time I'm just going to ask for an image. So at the very top, is asking what would you like your image to look like. So I paste the prompt, I click the purple arrow, and it is going to generate me an image. All right, so while that's generating, I'm going to go ahead and head back over to Halo AI and check out the video from the text straight to video. And it looks pretty dang on good. I mean, it gave us what we wanted from the prompt, and even the video looks very high quality. So next I'm going to head back over to Pick Lumen and check out the results from the text to image. And Pick Lumen gave us a man missing an arm. As you can see, ChatGPT, he's got all 5 of his fingers, and Halo AI's got all 5 of his fingers. All right, so next I'm going to go ahead and upload the video from ChatGPT. And then I'm going to head back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy and paste the part of the prompt that is only stating what he is doing. Okay, so that way I don't need to tell the app what he's wearing or what he looks like, because that's already in the image. I'm only going to tell the app what he is doing so it can create me a video. So while I wait on that, I'm going to head back to Pick Lumen. And I'm going to select the image, and down at the bottom right, I'm going to select Remix. And it's going to put the prompt again at the very top, and we're just going to select the purple arrow and let the app give us another image, and this is what it gave us. He's only got 4 fingers. He's standing on a table. Still, Pick Lumen is not providing the image that I am asking for. All right, so I'm going to head back over to Halo AI, and the image is still not ready. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to close this chat out and open a new chat. But the video is now ready, so I'm going to head back to Halo AI. And this is the video that it gave us from the image from ChatGPT. And it looks pretty darn good. It looks like more social media. It looks like he posted it himself. Compared to the first video, looks very high quality, marketable. So yeah, it just depends on what the look is that you're going for. So next I'm going to head back to ChatGPT.
Lead the way, creating voices that move and sway.
And I'm going to repeat steps 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to ask the app to provide me with a prompt for a Hispanic woman standing in her bedroom, holding up 2 dresses. And then I'm going to ask it to generate me an image. And this is what it gave me. Exactly what I asked for, a woman in her bedroom holding up 2 dresses. So of course we're going to repeat the steps like I said. So I'm going to copy the prompt, go over to Pick Lumen, paste the prompt. I'm then going to select the aspect ratio at the top right, select 16:9. And then I'm going to select the purple arrow to generate the image, and this is what it gave us. Very pretty, but no dresses. While we wait for that, okay, that video isn't ready, so now I'm going to go put the text to video for the woman in the bedroom with the 2 gowns, and then I requested 4 images.
Now your avatar's got some.
All right, so here's one of the 4 images. Very beautiful woman, but she's not holding the 2 dresses. Okay, the second image, beautiful again, but she's holding 2 phones. All right, third image, beautiful, but those aren't dresses. But I mean, hey, they're close. I mean, they're fabric, right? And then we're gonna head over to the 4th image, and she's holding 2 dresses, or 1 dress and a piece of fabric, but better than the last one. So next I'm going to select the video that we created, text to video, and this is what it gave us. Very beautiful woman holding up 2 dresses. And then I took one of the images and created a video, but I didn't like the way the dress was morphing onto her, like clinging onto her. I mean, that could work for a commercial, right? Like, our dresses cling to you. So that would be beautiful for that, but not what I'm looking for. So here's the image from ChatGPT, uploaded to Halo AI to create a video, and it's perfect. It's exactly what I was looking for. So we're going to head over to step 4, which is an app called Acool.
Bring the spark, let your vision dance in the
All right, so in Acool, we're going to go head down on the left side menu bar. We're going to select Voice Lab and then text to speech. And then you're going to see a big script box. Here you're going to paste your script that is personalized to you. And then you're going to go over to where it says voice with the name and click the arrow. This is going to take you to your voices. So you have your recent voices and you have my voice. Under my voice, you can do a voice clone, or you can do a text to voice. We're going to select text to voice. The first step is going to ask you to name your voice. So I think I'm going to go ahead and name this voice. We'll name her Alexia. All right, so then it's asking for a prompt, basically a description of the voice. So they have a default description: a cheerful, friendly, and enthusiastic young female. I changed it from Australian to Hispanic female with a lively, engaging voice, ideal for characters in animation and advertising. Then I'm going to head down to the settings. Make sure that it's a female, not male. Make sure that she's a young female. They do have the option for middle-aged and elder. And then I'm just going to select the styles and then select generate results.
Like a jazz solo in a digital scene. Oh, talk to me and teach the world, make it.
So then we're going to go ahead, after we generate the result, we're going to go ahead and hover over to the name Alexia and hit play.
Hello, I'm your personalized AI voice. Nice to meet you. I hope my voice brings your content to life.
All right, so then we're going to download. Click confirm. I'm just going to reduce the speed, leave everything else the same. Make sure that my script is in the script box, and then I'm going to select generate results. Once I generate the result, I'm going to listen to the voice.
Okay, besties, help me decide. Classic black or glam gold? I've got a big night out and I can't choose. Drop your pick in the comments.
All right, we got a Hispanic woman. So next we're going to head over to the final app, which is Dreamface, step 5. And here we're going to upload our video of choice. And we're going to upload our audio that we just downloaded. So we're going to... All right, so we're going to go ahead and select the download, select the upload. And so there's our video we're going to go with, and then we're going to upload our audio. Make sure that it's the correct audio.
Okay, besties, help.
All right, perfect. And then we're going to hit generate, and you should get something like this.
Okay, besties, help me decide. Classic black or glam gold? I've got a big night out and I can't choose.
When it comes to security, it's not just about tools, it's about mindset. Protecting people starts with awareness, and that begins right here in this room.
Hit the like button if you've learned something new today. Subscribe if you're ready to start your own Faceless YouTube channel. And drop a comment. Show me what you've created. I'd love to see. Until next time.